How to set up work profile on Android. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to learn how we can set up work profile on Android device. So without any delay, let's start with the video. But before beginning, don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe icon. So in order to set up the work profile on Android, you may just go to your settings of your device. Just go to your settings and scroll down a bit until you're able to see accounts and backup and Google. So you're just going to head over to the accounts and backup. And when you go there, you'll be able to see manage accounts. So just simply tap on it and scroll down a bit until you're able to see add account option. Just tap on it and you may just use the Google in order to create your work profile. Just tap on Google and go on with the process of creating an account. Otherwise, what you can do is just get back, and when you get back, just get to the main settings again. And under your accounts and backup, you should be able to see Google. Just tap on Google. And when you go to Google services, you'll be finding a bunch of options here. You just need to go to the all services section, and when you scroll down a bit, you'll be able to find the option called set up your work profile device policy. Under device policy, you'll be able to find that option. Just click on it and tap next after that, and it may take a few minutes for it to download first, and you just need to wait for some minutes first of all. And in order to create your own work profile using your device's settings, you need a QR code provided by your IT admin. You need a code from your IT admin in order to create your work profile. You may just place your phone above the QR code. After that, scan the QR code and you should be able to create your profile by going with the process of creating your profile by entering your details and all. And you should be able to create your work profile, or you may also enter the code manually if you have the code, and just go on with the process and you should be able to do it. So therefore, you may also follow the same process in order to create your work profile on your device. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.